The debate on dark empaths revolves around nature versus nurture. Dark empaths possess empathetic abilities, but use them for manipulation. Some argue dark empaths are born with these traits innately. Others believe their environment shapes their manipulative tendencies. Studies suggest a genetic predisposition plays a role in personality. Yet, environmental factors indisputably influence behavior profoundly. Dark empaths may have innate potential amplified by surroundings. Childhood experiences can contribute significantly to dark empath development. Trauma or neglect may foster manipulative behaviors in a vulnerable person. Conversely, supportive environments can mitigate negative tendencies. Balance between genetic and environmental factors is crucial in personality. Empathy itself is typically innate, according to psychological experts. Manipulation is often learned and refined through experience and context. Nature gives dark empaths their empathetic abilities initially. Nurture guides how these abilities are deployed in interactions. Each dark empath's development is unique, reflecting personal history.